Hey guys, my name is Javin Fong, and in today's video, I will be going over what is ChatGPT and how you can use it for SEO and link building. ChatGPT is an AI tool launched back in November 2022, and it's really like a personal assistant. You can ask it any questions and it will basically spit out a bunch of answers for you. So what does this even mean for SEO? Essentially, now you have a personal assistant by your side, and if you want to do any on-page SEO, any writing of meta descriptions, writing content for your website, you can simply go on ChatGPT and ask it a question, and it will let you know the answer. Similarly, for technical SEO, if you want it to write a schema markup for you for your website, you can simply prompt it to do it for you, and you can copy and paste it to your website code. And lastly, for off-page SEO, link building side of things, you cannot really ask ChatGPT to do it for you. You can simply ask it ideas on how you can do link building. I also asked how you can use ChatGPT for link building in SEO, and it gave me several answers. So for off-page SEO, if you're looking for a backlinking provider, feel free to check out RankoVerse. I will attach a link down in the description box below, and you can check out our case studies and ask us any questions you want. So according to a statistic I found online, roughly around 175 websites are made every single minute. What this means is that over 252,000 websites are made every single day. With the creation of ChatGPT, I really do think that more and more people will be creating websites, essentially making you get more competition for your niche. What I think is that you really have to change the way you do SEO, especially if you want to be making affiliate websites. For example, you could still ask ChatGPT to write you an article for an easy ranking keyword. However, you have to go above and beyond, maybe adding your personal content and experience, because at the end of the day, what Google really wants to do is to rank relevant websites with actual expertise. And we can see that this is the case because Google has the latest update for EEAT, which is experience, expertise, authority, and trust. If you are making a website about the tennis niche, and you're writing a bunch of articles about how to play tennis, what is a forehand in tennis, how to serve in tennis, you can do all those articles as informational articles. And if you want to target transactional keywords like best tennis rackets, for example, you can still do all those articles, but it will be much harder to rank on page 1 if so many people are doing the same thing. So my suggestion would be to actually go outside to play tennis, take some photos about your experience, about the actual tennis court, and include those in your article as well. And this can really stand out against competitors if you have personal videos and photos. And I just wanted to show you how the ChatGPT works. You can mention a prompt such as explain SEO like a stone surfer bro. So I just click enter and it will essentially write you the answer for this question. And I have also checked this on a plagiarism checker, and it showed up 0% plagiarized, which is really scary in terms of how much content you can produce by clicking a button. But as mentioned earlier in the video, ChatGPT will not actually create those backlinks for you. So if you're still looking for a backlink provider, feel free to check out RankoVerse, link in the video description below, and read a little bit about what we do. That's the end of the video. Hopefully this video gave you some insights about ChatGPT and how you can use it for SEO. Till next time, this is Javin Fong signing off.